Hey there, welcome back to the Meat Thinker channel. It's the peak season for the crawfish, so I wanted to get in the action and get my dose of crawfish this year. So let's get to it. Apparently, there are far more demand on the crawfish in Houston, and it has been really tough to get some. My faithful HEB would have very inconsistent supplies because of the strong demand. I took a chance and went to a local supplier in Houston, and I was able to score a sack of medium and large size crawfish that has been washed for $4.50 per pound. It is a highway robbery price, but what else am I going to do, right? We all should march for making the crawfish $1.75 again. I know crawfish wasn't this cool 10 years ago. So I bring the sack home and dump the crawfish into the ice chest. The crawfish seemed to be very clean and sizes were good. I rinsed the crawfish 3 more times for a good measure, and they were ready to go. I bought the HEB standard issue Louisiana Fish Fry Products Company's Crawfish Boil Seasoning, Concentrate Liquid Boil, and Boil in Bag Seasoning. I also bought mushrooms, corn, potatoes, whole garlic, lemons, onions, celery, and oranges. Start up the stove and get 5 gallons of water boiling. The seasoning is completely up to everyone's taste, but I'm keeping it very basic. I added about a half bag of the crawfish boil powder because the whole bag will season up to 10 gallons of water. And add about 5 teaspoons of concentrated liquid and throw in the seasoning bag. Close the lid and wait until it starts boiling. Now the water is boiling, go ahead and remove the seasoning bag and throw it into a basket. Place the basket into the pot, and now it is ready for vegetables. Throw in everything except for corn and mushrooms. Make sure to squeeze all the juice from oranges and lemons into the pot. Boil them for about 15 minutes until the potatoes are soft. Then add mushrooms and corn and boil for another 5 minutes. Remove the basket and dump all the freshly boiled veggies on the pan. I like boiling the veggies before the crawfish because I can keep the vegetables taste fresh without the trace of fishy aftertaste. And I can munch on these while waiting on the crawfish to cook. Now it's time to put the crawfish in the water. Usually my first batch is always a small test batch, so I can sample the flavor and make adjustments as needed. Add the crawfish in the water and bring back to boil. Add 2 sticks of butter to help with the flavor. Boil them for no more than 5 minutes and turn the heat off. Let it soak for about 15 minutes. Make sure you know it will be spicier if you leave them in the water longer. A quick tip on how to peel crawfish. Step 1. Push the tail into the head, twist and pull. Step 2. Peel the first ring of the tail. And step 3. Pinch the tail where the meat ends, pull and eat.
You want to eat crawfish?
No.
You don't want to eat crawfish?
My first batch tastes great and it didn't need any adjustments in seasoning. I'm all set to move right into the second batch. Now fill up the entire basket and repeat the process. Eat until you can't eat no more. There you have it, another great crawfish boil. It was a bit pricey, but at least my family got the fix for the year. 32 pounds of crawfish by a family of 4. I won't have to eat crawfish until next year. What other types of seasoning do you like to put in your crawfish bowl? Do you dust the crawfish after cooking? Please share your recipe in the comment section below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Please also check out my Instagram handle at MeatThinker. Thank you for watching and keep meat thinking.